My name is Danielle Crain. I'm getting a bachelor's degree in elementary education, and I'm graduating from Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College. Both my parents graduated from Mary Lou Fulton Teachers College, and they're both teachers now, so I'm following right in their footsteps. I wanted to come here. I knew the program was great. I knew the campus was great. ASU was just the place for me. Valerie Shipp was a huge mentor in my time at ASU. She's the director of undergraduate student services. She was always there to encourage me to keep going because it did get tough at times, and I knew that she was always in my corner. I want to be able to impact my students' lives in every way, not just academically, but socially, building them up to be the best people that they can be. MLFTC has been able to give me a very diverse education. It's been very hands-on. From the start, we were in the classroom because they strongly believe that we learn by doing, and we're able to really see the direct impact of what teachers have on their students.